Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App if it isn't letting you send money with credit card. Cash App generally lets you send money using the linked credit card. However, if you're not able to perform the transaction using credit card at the moment, it could be due to a temporary technical issue. So first of all, open up Cash App on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Support. Over here, you need to tap on something else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and tap on Cash Card. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support, and then click on Not About a Transaction right over here. Once you're on this screen, tap on Chat at the bottom to contact Customer Support Official. Now briefly explain the issue to the Cash App representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hello team, I was trying to send some money to a friend, but Cash App seems to be blocking my credit card as a payment option. I double-checked that my credit card information is saved correctly in the app and isn't expired. So if you could help me understand why the credit card option is unavailable and how to get it working again for sending money, that would be highly appreciated." Hopefully, the Cash App customer representative will help you fix Cash App if it isn't letting you send money with credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.